Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to Colonel Roy Defense Academy. Let's look at LSDV, that stands for Lumpy Skin Disease Virus. Recently, the outbreak of the virus in livestock has killed over 67,000 cattle. It is infectious viral disease of cattle which often occurs in epizootic form. It is caused by a virus of the family Poxvirida, also known as neethling virus. It mainly infects cattle, cow and its progeny, and Asian water buffalo. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, situated in Jaipur, had analyzed and revealed 177 unique variants, and none of its genome belongs to 2019 outbreak of this disease. Scientific of Indian Veterinary Research Institute and Indian Council of Agricultural Research National Research Center has jointly developed vaccine named Lumpy Prayagraj. If we talk about the impacts of this disease, it raises concern over its impact on the dairy business, as India is the world's largest milk producer at about 210 million tons annually. So it is all about LSDV. For more such videos, subscribe to Colonel Roy Defense Academy.